On the calendar stats on your main dashboard in calendar stats, any of these that you have numbers on, so like this one here, I've got some past due calendar items.
Mm-hmm.
Whenever you click on that past due calendar item, it brings up the list of everything that's past due in this case, but it would bring up other ones like if they're due today or whatever. It brings them up as a list, and then you can go through them and do things with them. We've had that in the past. I did add this option here called multi-select. So now you can come in here, you can choose multi-select, and you can use this button if you just want to move everything. So you can just click on that and it'll select everything. Or if you want to unselect them, you can unselect them. But if you have a bunch of items selected and you want to adjust their date, maybe you want to move them to today or you want to move them into the future or something, select the ones that you want to change. Click on the adjust date, choose the new date that you want them placed on. So maybe I want some of these things put in, on the 17th, whatever. And then a date, time. You can choose, if I want them on a certain time. And again, it's the ones that you selected. So you don't have to select them all. But if you do select them all, it'll assign them to the same date and time. So you may not want to do all of them like this, but then you go in and you say update the dates. So then it goes through each one of the 31 items and it will update the due date on those activities and be able to get them completed for you. So what it will do then is, there we go. So upcoming in the next 4, those 31 got moved to tomorrow, which is in the upcoming in the next 4 days. So those are there. That's available now. So if you've got now, the whole purpose of the calendar stats is to make sure that you're getting things done. Your goal every day should be to complete the things that you've got to do today. So, stick in there, make sure you're doing your work. But if you don't, or, maybe if something was due on the weekend and you just didn't go in there, you didn't complete it, I get it. But I have seen people that have thousands in their past due, and it's like, you're not using the system the way you should. This is here to help you to make sure you're getting things done. And if you're not doing them, they will fall through the cracks and they will be a problem. So making sure that you do them when they're due is important. But in the event that you need to move something, maybe something came up, a family emergency, and you need to move today's stuff into tomorrow. You can go into your today's items. You can change the date real quick and block them off very quickly.